In this video, I share how to be a top affiliate marketer. Stick with me till the end and learn how to make more money. Whether you are already in affiliate marketing or maybe just looking at getting into it, this is information you need. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I'm a full-time affiliate marketer and I love the money freedom and the time freedom that it creates. It enables me to ski most days in the winter and sell most days in the summer. Hey, before we get going, if you are not already subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button right now and hit the notification bell too. And please hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And if you do have any questions or any comments, please leave them in the comment section. I do read and respond to all of them. So affiliate marketing is always my first suggestion for those people looking for a way to make money online. It's simple, anyone can do it, as no previous skills are needed. Yet you can make significant money if you follow the 4 tips I'm going to share with you. In fact, even a beginner can learn to be a top affiliate marketer in short order. I'll use an affiliate offer I promote as an example and share why it is my #1 recommended income stream. See, the first thing you need to do is pick the right affiliate offer to promote. And I know that may sound really obvious, but there are a huge number of affiliate marketing offers to choose from. You need to promote something with a high demand product that pays out big commissions and also pays out passive income too. My business markets 4 high demand products that pay out 80% commissions, and 3 of the 4 also pay out month after month recurring or passive income too. And this is significant as most affiliate offers pay out small one-time commissions of only a few percent. It would be tough to be a top affiliate marketer promoting one of them. Next, you need a solid marketing system. This is how you gain the power of leverage. You don't want to try to market your affiliate offer by just sending traffic directly to it. Instead, you want to be using a well-designed sales funnel. A lead capture page, sales page, and follow-up emails. That way, you can be building an email list and marketing to it. And then to help you pull it all together, you'll need excellent training and mentoring. Well, we will provide you with the best training and support in the home business industry. We have a terrific training website with dozens of how-to videos. Our quick start training is unique, and it's why so many new affiliates make money their very first day with us. We hold live, interactive Zoom calls daily, led by industry leaders, and they are recorded if you can't be there live. Plus, we have a great Facebook group where we share ideas and answer questions. You will love being part of our online community. Plus, when you team up with us, I will mentor you personally. Nothing will be left to chance. And then lastly, you need to put in the effort. But in my business, it only takes a few hours a week of diligent effort whenever it's convenient for you. Copy what we share, and you can create a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes a day. So to learn more about how to be a top affiliate marketer and to start making money today, take our online tour at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.